Alright guys, so the Miata is cooked. So right there, that car, someone slammed on the brakes in front of them. They slammed on their brakes and I just locked up and just went straight into the back of that car. So
Okay. So what happened?
this car has barely any damage. And all that. But guys, this is insane.
I presume your car's gonna be drivable.
I don't know what to do with this car. My coolant's leaking out. Yeah, I don't know. This is probably still savable if we cut the front and do a tube front chassis bash bar. But this is so sad, guys. Like, the most random moment ever. Like, what? This is horrible. Alright guys, well, hold up, as you can see, new build for the Miata coming. We're gonna chop the front off, we're gonna put bash bars on, guys. Like, I guess this is what we're doing now. Get back.
I'll just go back and forth like this.
Go from the corner, get it.
All right.
Are you recording?
Yeah.
Oh, alright, it doesn't look like any of the suspension components are damaged or anything, guys. Check that out. That's all that really matters. The engine, even the steering rack looks like it's totally fine. So it looks like all the impact literally came in on this side because I steered away. She slammed, someone didn't use their turn signals or something on it, and then she slams on her brakes and I just lock to a complete stop and I just lock up and I try to go sideways and this corner just hits the rear bumper of her car. And stupid, guys, this is really stupid, but now we're gonna have to rebuild this thing. At least it's not as bad. It's not horrible, but it's bad. But at least the suspension is not damaged.
I was thinking bad.
Actually using the tow strap for the first time, guys. That I installed like 10 years ago. Crazy. All right, guys, let's get her home and then let's get everything taken off and assess the damage. So, look at that. All right, well, she's on the tow truck, guys. Let's take her home and assess the damage. All right, guys, so I was trying to use the screwdriver as a lever. Ended up messing myself up, like the screwdriver freaking snapped. We're gonna try to pull the frame out with the metal pieces out with the bike. Let's go. All right, ready? Let's see if this works. Hopefully this works. Stand back. Keep going. Stop. I'm gonna also order a bash bar and I'll show you which one in a bit. But let's go ahead and cut this off and this should look a lot better. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna just cut this bracket out because it's kind of in our way right now. So we're just gonna go.